Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize Glyph bar for specific apps on the Nothing Phone 4a. So you cannot adjust it like you want, but you can assign the lights. So I'm gonna show you how it works specifically. We're gonna go to settings and now we're gonna click on Glyph interface. Here, what you guys want to do is scroll until you see notifications, and here we're gonna tap on it, and as you guys can see, we got the mode selection. So we want to select the generative, and it is dynamically generated Glyph notification sounds with automatic assignment to individual apps. So you cannot really change it yourself, you can only change the default engine. So this is the first one. Let me quickly play it again. And this is the second one. So you guys can select which one you want. I'm choosing the first option, and that's how you guys can do that. You cannot really adjust the specific way the Glyph will go. So we all know that the Glyph is right here. You can adjust it just like you want, maybe not in this version, but I'm pretty sure they will add this option soon and you'll be able to easily adjust it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.